In this video we will learn how to repair a defective remote control. Remote control is very easy to repair. Everybody can do these steps at home. In this video we will learn 4 steps to repair every remote. Some people's remote will be fine in step 1, some in step 2, some in step 3 and some in step number 4. You will stop at any stage where your remote is fixed, and will not go through the rest of the stages. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove the remote battery cover. Take out the battery cells and insert a good quality new battery cells into the remote. Then check the remote again. If it works, that's fine. Otherwise you will go to step number 2. It didn't work, so we go to step 2. Remove the batteries again. Take a knife or any other thing that is sharp, but it should be thinner from front. This will allow you to rub the 4 points of the remote to which the batteries are connected. First, hold the remote to one side and start rubbing the points with a knife. You rub it so much that if there is carbon here, it will be clean. Now it's the turn of the other 2 points. Rub them as before, and make it clear and shiny. When you see the shine in these points, it means that they are fine now. Now, once you have inserted the batteries, try again. If it works, the work will be over, otherwise we will enter step number 3. The attempt did not work. Let's go to step number 3. As before, we have to take out the batteries every time. If you hold the remote and consider it, you will find that the remote is actually made by connecting 2 parts together. Take your knife and put it between these 2 parts of the remote and shake it on both sides. And if you press down, the remote will open. And the 2 parts of the remote will be separated, and the circuit will be visible from it. Now we have to consider this circuit. The remote circuit usually has only 4 points, 2 battery connections and 2 infrared bulbs. You have to consider these 4 points. Let's consider. Both of these points are right. Go ahead. An infrared point is broken here. We have to fix it. First we have to remove the insulator on the board, so that we can see copper and we can solder it. You can rub this area with any knife. Look, we're starting to see copper. Now we solder it. Done. Now carefully turn off the remote control and try again after inserting the cell. Best. We succeeded. We easily repaired our remote. But friends, there is another question. If some of the buttons on the remote do not work, what is the solution? So let's go to step number 4 for this. Get a clean cloth. Put some petrol or thinner on this cloth. Now use this cloth to clean the button on both sides of the remote that the button does not work. For example, if the power button does not work here, the power button will be targeted from both sides of the remote. This will make your button work. Friends, apply these steps to your remote. If the remote works, we will not be ignored. We are thirsty for your likes and comments, and we'll wait. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.